This is the emergency broadcast system, serving Los Angeles. As of 7:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the Nakatomi Plaza building in Los Angeles has caught fire. It is currently unknown what caused the building to ignite, or if a fire alarm was pulled by accident. Police and firefighters have currently been dispatched to evacuate the building and extinguish the fire. All citizens within a quarter mile of Nakatomi Plaza are advised to evacuate the area. Please stay tuned for further updates. Here is an administrative update regarding the Nakatomi fire. As of 7:48 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the fire has been promptly and successfully put out by the staff of Nakatomi Plaza. At this time, civil authorities have given an all-clear for the evacuation zone. It is now safe for citizens to return to the area of the building.
We interrupt our programming to activate the emergency broadcast system for a local area emergency. This emergency may affect your area. Please stand by.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A dangerous event is unfolding within the Nakatomi Plaza building. As of 9:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a group of foreign terrorists have invaded the building and have taken all its personnel hostage. Furthermore, the terrorists have taken the life of Nakatomi executive Joseph Takagi. At this time, civil authorities, as well as armed forces, have been authorized to defuse the situation. All citizens within 5 miles of Nakatomi Plaza are advised to shelter in place now. To shelter in place, turn off all lights, lock all windows and doors, close all blinds and curtains, and stay on the lowest or highermost portion of your current location. If you are currently on the road, pull over in a safe spot and go to the nearest sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors. Do not let anyone into your shelter unless you feel safe to do so. You are listening to the emergency broadcast system serving the Los Angeles area. Please stand by for further updates. Here is an update on the current situation. As of 10:03 p.m., the terrorists in Nakatomi Plaza have started to attack civil authorities by means of explosive weaponry. It is unclear how long this situation will last and what their motives are behind this attack. At this time, all citizens. Update: an explosive device has been detonated within the Nakatomi building. There is extreme damage to a single floor of the building. It is unclear the motive behind the explosion. However, the building is still standing. At this time, an evacuation watch is in effect until further notice. This is the emergency broadcast system serving the Los Angeles area. Please stay tuned for further updates as they become available. You are listening to the emergency broadcast system serving the Los Angeles area. Please stand by for a message from your local government.
Ladies and gentlemen, the mayor of Los Angeles.
Good evening. For those of you just tuning in, we are witnessing something unlike anything this city has ever seen before. As of right now, a group of terrorists have invaded the Nakatomi building of Los Angeles and have taken the lives of 2 of its staff, including its executive, Joseph Takagi. As the mayor of Los Angeles, I must say that this is something that I never would have ever imagined. Right now, we're receiving word that authorities are making negotiations with them. And furthermore, with the man trapped in that building, NYPD officer John McClane, whether or not he fights them off or can escape peacefully, one can hope that he and the rest of the hostages can escape unharmed. Hopefully, no more lives can be lost, and that we can remember this holiday season as an enjoyable one. Thank you, good night, and God bless.
That was a message from the mayor's office. You are listening to the emergency broadcast system serving the Los Angeles area. Please stay tuned for further updates. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. As of 11:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, an attempt of chopper evacuation was made in an effort to free the hostages of Nakatomi Plaza. However, the terrorists have intentionally set off explosives on the roof of the building. There is extreme damage to several floors of Nakatomi Plaza, and it is unknown if there are any survivors of the explosion. You are listening to the emergency broadcast system serving the Los Angeles area. We will continue to provide news and information as it becomes available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. As of 11:34 p.m., the terrorists of Nakatomi, as well as their leader, have been eliminated by NYPD officer John McClane. An all clear of the area will be issued at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Please stand by for a message from the mayor of Los Angeles.
Is this thing on? Okay. As you have just heard, the terrorists in Nakatomi Plaza have been successfully eliminated, and we have the law enforcement to thank, the FBI to thank, and especially our real hero, Officer John McClane. Without your actions, sir, many more lives would have been lost, maybe even mine, and who knows how many more around the world. So, everyone who did their part, thank you. Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Good night, and God bless.
That was a message from the mayor's office. You are listening to the emergency broadcast system serving the Los Angeles area. We now return you to your regular programming.